Tips that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. Attempting to learn about something like affiliate marketing can be quite difficult, and that's because there's just so much misinformation out there. A lot of people want to sell you on their useless products, so they only tell you a part of the story. Check out this video and find out about affiliate marketing, what those other guys aren't telling you. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. You can use past customers to draw in new ones by giving a bonus for referring new users to the service. Your old customers will love the chance to get deals and will do your advertising work for you. Their friends will trust a recommendation of a close friend more than an ad, and they'll be much more likely to shop at your store. One of the best ways to increase your affiliate expertise level is to study what other marketers are doing with similar products. By viewing their tactics, you will understand how they attract people to their sites and ultimately send them to the main company's site to become customers. It's a working method that can help you increase commissions. Use the templates from your affiliate programs, but make the content unique to you and your audience. If someone clicks on your page and sees an obvious copy and paste template with no personal information or content, they are going to click away and not come back. You can use the templates as they are usually proven items, but make sure to include yourself in it or you'll drive your clients away. There are no real secrets in affiliate marketing. There are just tight-lipped people who would rather have your money than give you any advice. Use these tips to help push your marketing efforts to the next level. With the right information and a whole lot of drive, you will succeed at your goals. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.